Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel po. Kamusta ang lahat? Hello. It's been a while since nag-vlog ako last time. I think isang linggo din akong hindi nag-vlog kasi na-busy kami. And then, yeah, yesterday we were at Harrisburg. And today, bahay lang kami. We had to work. Husband has to work anyway. So, ayun. Kumusta po ang lahat? I hope everyone had a great week. And masyadong late na itong vlog natin. But anyways, I hope everyone is doing good. And I hope that you're still watching my other videos as well, why I don't have a vlog. So, ayun. Wala tayong masyadong gagawin today. We will go grocery for lunch. And then, yeah, we'll see from there. Hi, everybody! Kababalik lang namin galing grocery. Milk. I bought flowers. Let's see how long will this last. Ayan. I bought ground pork. Mami-meatballs ako. Ground pork. Ground beef pala. Broccoli. I got cabbage. Onion. Magchachapsoy tayo. Bumili si husband ng Caesar salad. Wash clothes for me. For husband. Mustard. My conditioner. And then bumili ako ng bell pepper. Lechon manok for lunch. Ito yung lunch namin din. Rotisserie chicken. Lemon peppered flavor. Yan. Lechon manok yung dinner na. Ay, lunch pala. Lechon manok yung lunch natin, guys. So, there. It's already 12:04 na po ng tanghali. Bumili din pala kami ng Coke. Of course, hindi mawawala ang Coke. Dalawa nito. Nandun sa garage ang isa. Ito, lalagay namin sa fridge. Wala akong rice. Magsasalad ako. Hello, everybody. Kakagising ko lang. Nagnap kami after lunch. Nagnap na naman ako. So, yung busog na busog ako, parang may dyspepsia ako ngayon. Alam mo yung busog na busog ka, tapos humiga ka, and then natulog kayo. Si husband kasi eh. Anyways, tapusin ko itong flower natin. Look at our flower. I hope this lasts the last time. Tagal nung last time, ha? Parang mga 3 linggo din yung nag-last. Almost a month. Yeah, I think it's a month or 2. Anyways, yes. Tapusin natin ito and then gawa tayo dinner. Di pala ako, kumain ako kanina, nag-ano lang ako. Kasi wala akong rice. Kumain lang ako ng, ang tawag nito. Kumain lang ako ng salad. First time kong nag-salad lang talaga. Hindi ako for salad girl. Ay, nako. Ewan man. It was a good try. Masarap naman siya. Actually, masarap siya. That's a Caesar salad. Yeah. Masarap siya. Lagyan ko siya ng parang toasted bread. And then, ganda nito. Nilagyan ko siya ng parang toasted bread. Tsaka, chicken, yung lechon manok. And, yun. Yung seasoning niya. Yun. Ay, nilagyan ko pa pala ng ano. Nilagyan ko din ng avocado. Masarap siya with avocado. Pero hindi ako for salad tea. Okay lang din mga ganun tea, mga one time. Mga tea, hindi ako pwede sa mga, hindi ako pwede sa salad. Okay lang siya for one time na event. One time na event. Nagkasalad ako everyday. Oh my God. It's not for me. Ano bang gawin ko? Turn off ko muna kayo. I-ano ko na lang kayo. I-time-lapse. flowers. Ayan. May yellow, super bright yellow, pink, lavender, tsaka purple. May green din. Ayan. Yun ang ating flower. Ititrim natin yan in the next few days. Gawa tayo meatballs, guys. We have ground beef. Ground beef pala yung gagamitin ko kasi mas gusto ni husband yung ground beef kasi sa ground pork. So we have ground beef about 2.25 pounds or 36 ounce. So mga nasa ano yata ito, almost a kilo. Almost 1 kilo din yata ito. And then these are our ingredients. Magic sarap, we have pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, tsaka paprika. Naglagay pala din ako ng carrots. Wait lang, kunin ko yung carrots. Powder lang yung gamitin natin sa seasoning or sa ingredients niya kasi ano, sa condiment kasi gusto ni husband powder lang yung gamitin. So ayun, powder lang muna yung gamitin natin. So, gawa tayo ng meatballs. Mag-chop suey sana ako, kaso nakalimutan ko mag-pick up ng karne na ano, pangsahog sa chop suey. Wala tayong chop suey. Ito lang munang meatballs. So, mag-meatballs tayo. Siya, wait lang. Ayan, tapos na po. Na-mix ko na. Ayan. And then, eto na po ang ating balls. Mahina lang talaga yung apoy ko. Nasa 2 lang siya para ano, maluto siya. So, ayun. Ayun. Nag-ano pala kami, guys? Nag-mow kami ng yard the other day. Siguro Monday kami nag-mow ng yard doon sa front yard. Ngayon, si husband nagmo-mow sa backyard namin. It's actually April 25 pala today. It's April 25, 2024. It's a Thursday. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung last na vlog ko. Ay, nag-fishing pala kami. So, ayun. Ayun si husband. Nagmo-mow ng backyard. Ayan ang ating weather today. Actually, super mainit today. Nasa 80 degrees kami. 85 yata or 83. Yan na yung asawa ko. Tulungan ko sana siya kaso nagluluto ako. Ayun niya pala gagawin yung mag-mow ng yard. So, ayun. Dito na lang ako sa loob. Magpiprito na lang tayo ng meatballs. Yan na ang ating meatballs. Ito na guys. Dahil beef ang gamit natin, nag-ano siya, yung grease niya. Nag-overpower yung grease niya. Tingnan niyo, parang siya water rin. Nag-mix na yung water tsaka yung oil, yung grease niya tsaka yung oil. Kaya yan yun naman. Ito na yung ating, ilalagay ko siya sa oven sandali. Preheat na ako ng oven, 325. Ilalagay ko siya sa oven. Ayan. Meron pa akong natira doon, bukas na lang yun para bukas na yun. I think enough na ito for dinner tsaka parang mas sobra na rin ito. Nanunood daw kay Manay Chona. Tapos na ang ating meatballs. Bite-sized meatballs. Ayan. It's enough for us for dinner. Ayun siya nagwa-water ng grass kasi nag-mow kami the other day. Yun si Sissy girl. Hi Sissy girl! Hi baby! Hello! Yun yung flower namin. Our roses and our flamingo. Nag-water siya ng grass kasi nag-mow kami the other day. Para tumubo kasi sobrang init. Ang ganda na. We have our aloe vera here. You hear the plane. I don't know if you can see the plane. May plane doon. Ayun, may plane. Huh? Yeah, it's very hot today. It's what, 85? Yeah. It's ready. Meatballs are ready. Kain na tayo, guys. Meron akong rice, fresh rice, and A1 sauce. And ayan na si husband. How is it?
It's good.
Huh?
Delicious, but
Delicious? You like it? Oh, good job. Dipping it in A1 sauce as well. Natin. Kain na tayo. Sisi is waiting. Ayan. Hindi ako maano. Kain tayo. Let's see. Let's do a taste test. Taste test! Tinikman ko na ito. Sarap nito. Huwag kayong ano. Be. Yum. This is so good with red wine. Red wine tayo. I like this. Roscato. Italian Roscato sweet red. Ito yung gusto ko. Uy, wala. Punong-puno. Yeah, I'm almost running out of it. Very low. Yun ang ating red wine. And then rice. Ay. Let's eat, guys. Dinner time. It's already 6:33 na po ng hapon. Or gabi. Should I say evening? It's 6:33 na po and the sun is still shining so bright. Ayan, tingnan yung labas ng bahay. Yeah. The sun is setting though. So, kain tayo, guys. Cheers, everybody. Sarap talaga nito. Try nyo, guys. Let's eat. Kain lang ako, guys. Hello, everybody. It's already 8:14 na po ng gabi. Ayan. Kapantulog na tayo. I think let's call it a day. We had a productive day. Oops, hang on. Yeah, so I think that's it for tonight. Iko-close na natin yung vlog bago na naman natin hindi ma-close ito. This week pala, when did we have a dental appointment? Monday. Nagpunta pala kami. Last Monday, we had a dental appointment. So, finally, nakapag-cleaning na rin ako. And then, babalik ako by June to fix something. Pasta. Or filling. Natatawa siya. Filling. Ayusin nila yung filling ko dati kasi parang naano siya ni crack. Anyways, yes. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Watching my video. I hope you support me by subscribing to my channel. By clicking the like button po. And pakishare na rin po ng videos natin. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Ayun. Maraming salamat po. And please watch my other videos as well. Thank you, everybody. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Maraming salamat po. Good night. Good night, everybody. Bye.